Well, the number of children in Missouri's foster care system is declining, but the Children's Division continues to face major staffing challenges. Our Missouri Chief Capitol Bureau reporter Emily Manley has more on the backlog in cases throughout the state.
14,300. That's how many child abuse and neglect cases are currently open in Missouri. The St. Louis and Kansas City regions make up about 75% of those cases. The Department of Social Services telling lawmakers the only way to eliminate that backlog is to hire more investigators.
You hire someone in the door, they're simply not going to be able to take the caseload on Monday morning of someone who left on Friday afternoon.
A lack of workers creating chaos for a state agency.
It doesn't seem like we have enough people to do this task.
In the St. Louis area, there are 6,125 child abuse and neglect cases that have been open for more than 45 days, compared to 3,590 in the Kansas City region, 84 cases in southeast Missouri, 70 cases in southwest Missouri, and 51 cases in northwest Missouri.
Very hopeful that the challenges that are unique to the St. Louis region that we will be able to address, and I hope to have a much better story to tell you by January.
Investigators from other parts of the state are pitching in to help reduce the backlog of cases.
We have kind of concentrated the St. Louis folks in, closer in the center of the St. Louis region, and having Jefferson County and St. Charles County take up the slack on the outside. And then we're having other counties come in to take up the slack for them.
A funding increase in the state's budget for the Children's Division is being used for training and management consultants. DSS Director Robert Nodell says the number of overdue reports is going down.
I personally am hearing from people on the ground who are saying that it is better, that things are going better.
The good news, for the first time in years, the number of kids in Missouri's foster care system dipped below 13,000. But finding that data publicly isn't easy.
If those are people that aged out and not reunified, that's not necessarily better. I mean, it'd be interesting to see where the data leads us.
Even the director of the Children's Division agrees more transparency is needed.
When people ask me these questions, I have to dig for it. I have to find out. I have to say, okay, research people, go find me answers to these questions. It'd be really nice if we could all just look at it. And I think and the department's in the process of making all that happen.
Because of the lack of workers, Nodell says that the Children's Division holds a weekly hiring event at its Page Avenue office in St. Louis County. This year, the General Assembly appropriated roughly $30 million in hopes of boosting salaries across the agency. Reporting from Missouri Capitol Bureau, I'm Emily Manley.